welcome, welcome back to my channel, to Piping. And what else? Today we'll be making slime with toothpaste, sugar, and a spoon and a bowl. So we're gonna start with some toothpaste on the bowl, and add some of sugar, and then we're gonna mix it. I'm just gonna mix it right. Instead, I'm just gonna use like a pencil.
No, you have to mix it. Wait. You have to mix the
Yeah,
and then you put it.
So wait for just a second. Okay, we'll be getting the bowl mixing. I'm gonna mix it with the. That's okay. I'm gonna mix it with this.
Then we just have to wait because we mixed it. We will have to wait for like a few minutes, and then
You have to wait like 10 minutes.
you have to wait for like 10 minutes. Okay, so you have so it's already done, and
I think I'll need some a little bit of more sugar.
we are already mixed up. And while you guys were paused, I mixed it. So and it just needs to be there for like 10 minutes.
So we'll go to the touch-a-fine. We're gonna keep on like mixing it. So like mixing it.
And then in the next video,
So here I'm back. I've been mixing it. I it tastes like toothpaste and sugar. Tastes like good, kinda. But so yeah.
it did it.
So let me just. So back, I've been like shaking it and shaking it. So now that I've been like shaking it, now I'm gonna touch it. So you could see like kind of like some, like glue. But I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna be getting it from my hand, one handle. Because this needs to like work. Like seriously, this is like working like a little bit. Like, so now that I see like, you could see that is like kind of like working. Like, I don't want to use my other hand because like then I will have to like I will have to use my other hand, but I don't really want to right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get it from my other hand. And you know the dogs that have like cages? So I'm gonna be pouring it back to my bowl because I don't really want it on my hands anymore. So like, I'll be showing you guys. So now it's taken off. I decided to put it back in my bowl. Okay. Just wait for a. So sorry for the like. Sorry, now I have to end this video now because my slime came out terrible and my hands now are sticky. And I just wanted to tell you guys, sorry for making this dumb video boring. But I hope you guys enjoy a little bit, tiny 1%, 2%, whatever. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you like this video or if you're not. And don't forget to put comments down below. Don't forget to put a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to see this video more times. If you want me to make more slime, keep on comments down below. And thanks for watching this video. Whatever, it didn't come out good for me, but what else, whatever. So, I'll just touch like go now because I need to wash my hands. Like, look at this.